What is meant by digital marketing? 5 examples of digital marketing methods, top 5 reasons why you need digital channel strategy. Digital marketing is the promotion of your company's products and services using the internet and online-based digital technology, such as desktop computers, mobile phones, and other digital media and platforms. While traditional marketing is placing ads in newspapers and on billboards, digital marketing entails communicating with your audience using internet platforms as email, social media, and search engines. Examples of digital marketing methods as search engine optimization, SEO. Anything done to boost a website's ranking in search engine results pages is referred to as SEO, SERPs. Most businesses want to boost their website's visibility or traffic, and ranking high for specific search terms or phrases on search engines like Google and Bing will help them achieve that aim. As search engine marketing, SEM. SEM is the process of increasing search exposure through the use of paid techniques. Advertisements that display as search results on search engine results pages are paid for by brands. This is accomplished by targeting specific words or phrases so that when a user searches for such terms, the brand's ad appears. Only if a user clicks on the ad is the brand charged. Content marketing. Content marketing is the process of routinely publishing relevant information that audiences would really like to consume in order to reach, interact, acquire, and retain new customers. It requires brands acting more like authors and producing content that attracts visitors to a location, mostly the company's website. Influencer marketing. Influencer marketing, at its most basic level, is a sort of social media marketing that relies on endorsements and product mentions from people called influencers who have a large social following and are regarded as experts in their field. Is social media marketing, SMM, and social media optimization, SMO. SMM is a means of promoting your content on social media platforms such as Facebook, Tumblr, Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, and YouTube, among others, whilst the technique of improving a website so that it can be displayed online on multiple social media channels is known as social media optimization. Top 5 reasons why you need digital channel strategy. No sense of direction because you lack smart digital marketing objectives. Companies without a digital strategy are more likely to lack a clear strategic goal for what they want to achieve online in terms of attracting new clients or deepening relationships with existing ones. You will be oblivious to your online potential, audience, and market share. You are unlikely to grasp your online marketplace without a digital channel plan. With new types of client profiles and behavior, competitors, offers, and marketing communication possibilities, the dynamics will be different from traditional channels. Competitors with online presence will gradually sap the life of your business. Your competition will gradually push you out of business if you don't devote enough resources to up your online game, or if you take an ad hoc approach with no clearly defined strategies. It can provide you the leverage you need to stay ahead of your competitors if done correctly, wasting money and time through strategy redundancy. Despite having a lot of resources, medium to large corporations waste them because different departments wish to utilize different technologies or even hire the services of multiple organizations to execute similar or even the same internet marketing duties. That is why, in order to avoid redundancy and resource waste, the entire firm must invest in a single-source digital channel strategy, doing little and not optimizing. A company's available resources may also be underutilized if it lacks a clear digital channel strategy. Typically, managers will not ensure that their employees evaluate and act on data obtained from a customer analytics platform. This will lead to additional difficulties, such as a lack of understanding into how to improve the user experience and content marketing. In conclusion, despite the fact that working to transform your digital marketing strategy and accelerating your results might look daunting, the good news is that there are state-of-the-art tech tools that can help you to easily achieve great results. Some of these tools include Neil Patel Web Analytics tool for analyzing your website and improve your SEO strategy, Social Pilot for managing your social media and content strategy. If this still feels like a whole lot of work, you can recruit an agency to manage your digital channel strategy for you.